This is a four-wall dance, and the weight starts on your left. You're going to kick your right foot out, touch with your left, kick your left foot out, touch with your right, and you're going to do a right heel, a left heel, a right touch, a left touch, and you're going to do a half turn to the left, and you're going to do another half turn shuffle. You're going to do a rock on your right, back this way with a right shuffle, and you're going to bring your left foot forward, pivot, turn, another shuffle, and make a quarter turn into a sailor step, then a behind side cross. You're going to step out to the right, rock back to the left, do a half turn shuffle, rock back on your left, bring that left forward into another shuffle, beginning of dance with a kick and point.
1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8.